Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop and welcome to another video testing. Welcome to another vlog. By the way, shout out kay Madam Aura ng Batangas. Okay, so ang i-review natin ngayon ay ang Glock 17 Gen 5 by Umarex. This is officially licensed by Glock. Okay, this is the Steel BB version. Comes with the Steel BBs. And also comes with CO2. So, this is 12G. Ito yung kanyang propellant. Okay, so this is the box. Yan. Gen 5 Umarex brand. Officially licensed by Glock. So, this is airgun. Yan, airgun pistol. Okay, this is not an airsoft. This is an airgun. Okay. Buksan natin. Okay, may kasama na po siyang safety instruction and maintenance manual. And also yung kanyang operating instruction manual. Also comes with the silicone oil. Hex screw for the magazine. And the unit. So this is the Glock 17 Gen 5 with the roll marks. Markings of Glock 17 Gen 5 on the slide. Mayroon din siya sa grip. Sa kabilang side naman, this is the serial number of the slide and this is the serial number of the unit. Ayan. So meron siya ditong safety sa ilalim. Ayan. Pag white, safe. Pag red yan, that's fire. Ayan, that's fire. Medyo malalim ang trigger nito. Ayan. Malalim yan, hanggang dulo yan, sagad yan. Okay, so nalalagyan siya ng accessories, flashlight. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng red dot kasi wala tayong available na plate. So this is the Glock 17 Gen 5 Meta Slide Polymer Frame. The magazine is 18 rounders. This is Steel BB version. So spring fed siya. And this is the Steel BBs. This is 4.5mm in diameter. Ayan, tumidikit po yan sa magnet. Okay, load tayo ng BBs. But before tayo mag-load ng BBs, load lang tayo ng CO2. Okay. Lagyan nyo lang ng oil yung tip ng CO2 or pwede din doon sa may magazine. Ayan. Adjust nyo lang to. Then, we need the hex screw adjuster. Okay. Kailangan mabilis yung pihit. Then, tamang higpit lang. Okay. Balik yung mag base. Ayan. So, wala naman siyang bala. Okay, so load tayo ng BBs. Okay, so pag load po ng BBs, ganito lang po. Pasok nyo lang siya dyan, then mahuhulog lang yan. Okay, so kailangan 4.5mm diameter lang po ang gagamitin nating steel BBs. Okay. Yan. So, ganun lang. Okay, so testing po natin. So, again, this is the Glock 17 Gen 5 by Umarex. This is an airgun, not an airsoft. Airgun pistol. Ayan. Napakapulido ng kanyang markings. Ang ganda, oh. Officially licensed product of Glock. So, sa original, gantong-ganto po yun. Kaya siya licensed product, officially licensed product of Glock. Yung original na Glock 17, gantong-gantong itsura. Huwag nyo lang tingnan yung barrel. Siyempre, mas maliit tong barrel eh. Okay, so testing. Okay, testing. Glock 17 Gen 5 Airgun Steel BBs. This is Steel BB version. Okay, testing. Firing. You know. Lakas ng recoil. Lakas. Open slide, release the mag. Hatak mo lang yung slide, then hammer down. One shot lang yun, ha. Ano yan? Bote ng Mang Tomas. Okay, so again, this is the Glock 17 Gen 5 Steel BB version. Officially licensed by Umarex. Okay, sa mga interested po sa unit, lalagay ko po yung details sa description. Check nyo lang po. Thank you and have a nice day.